Okay, hi guys. Now I'm gonna guide you how to practice speaking topic number 1. Talk about your most favorite star. Talk about your favorite star. Okay. Now here we go. Cô giáo sẽ hướng dẫn các bạn các phần từ vựng trước nhé. A Vietnamese singer, actor, and songwriter. A Vietnamese singer, actor, and songwriter. Thái Bình Province, Thái Bình Province. Famous all over Vietnam, famous all over Vietnam. Hardworking, hardworking. Hit songs, hit songs. Most famous song, most famous song. A big fan of, a big fan of. Now listen and repeat after me. Hi there. My name is. I am so happy to be here today. Now, I would like to talk about my favorite star. Now, I would like to talk about my favorite star. Well, you know, my favorite star is Sơn Tùng MTP. Well, you know, my favorite star is Sơn Tùng MTP. Sơn Tùng is a Vietnamese singer, actor, and songwriter. He is from Thái Bình Province. He is from Thái Bình Province. He is now famous all over Vietnam. He is now famous all over Vietnam. Sơn Tùng is tall, thin, and handsome. He knows how to sing and dance very well. He is also known to be very hardworking. He is also known to be very hardworking. He has many hit songs and hit albums. He has many hit songs and hit albums. His most famous song is Em của ngày hôm qua. His most famous song is I am a big fan of Sơn Tùng. That's my sharing about my most favorite star. Thank you for listening. Okay guys, các bạn nhớ lắng nghe lại video nhiều lần để có thể nhớ được cách phát âm một cách chuẩn xác nhất nhé. Okay, bye bye guys.